sure. For anybody that is interested, these boys in the garage next door to me, they do the Volkswagen Audi group. That's what they do mainly, Volkswagens, and they've just cut one of these 7-speed DSG clutches apart just to have a little look-see. So I thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd show you all the gubbins. Look, there's one clutch plate, friction plate. Look at this, look. Double-sided doofer dangle. Another clutch plate. It's weird, isn't it, Ben?
Very peculiar.
And that's from the professional himself. Very peculiar. But yeah, look at all that. 7-speed DSG. What year car was this out of, Ben?
That was a 2019.
2019. How many miles has it done?
170 odd thousand.
Really? 170 odd? Oh, taxi. Yeah, so there you go. Just thought I'd show you all the gubbins. All the bits. There you go. Love you.